Hey there! Good day to everyone watching this video. This is the iPhone 13 mini. I've got this phone a month ago and I've wanted to find out if this can really capture the stars as a hint from last year's September event. It might not be as powerful as the 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max as those phones had the Pro RAW features that the 13 mini doesn't have in its camera. Nevertheless, I still believe it will still be able to pull out something. It's crystal clear tonight in our place and I'm trying to photograph the Orion constellation. Milky Way is still nowhere in sight as it's still below the horizon. Hey, it's not too bad for my first shot. I can visibly see the Orion's belt and the bright star Sirius. The 13 mini has that night mode feature which is very useful for scenarios like this. Look at that ISO, 12,500 for half a second exposure. Good job for this tiny little phone. Here's my second attempt, and exposure yields 1 second on a 10,000 ISO value. This one's a bit brighter, but yeah, get the stars in frame. I can't wait to try this with the Milky Way next month. And here it is, stars are looking good. I will also upload the original JPEG files so you can download and preview on your computer. My name is Ryan by the way and I love photography. If you enjoy what you're watching, you probably can also consider subscribing to this channel. I can't believe how far mobile computational photography has gone ahead. It's getting there, and I won't be surprised it will improve a lot in years to come. The reason I say this is because I've been an iPhone 7 user ever since, and this one doesn't have this capability, although I can say that the 7 is still a very good phone. But not for taking photos of the stars, of course. And since we're talking about astrophotography, my main camera for this one is the Sony a7 III, a full-frame mirrorless camera. And to give you an idea on its potential, I will also put it in auto and let it capture what its sensor sees. Sony a7 III paired with this fast Tamron 17-28mm f2.8 lens, here's the true-to-life sight above my head right now. The camera yields 4-second exposure, so I have to use a tripod, whereas I just handheld the iPhone. Stay tuned. God willing, I will make another video once the Milky Way is in sight. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.